This week we chicken nuggets presents. Hicks gets grounded. And Hicks gets grounded by Lana McQueen and Meta. Chicken and nugget Hicks, you are grounded. Alright, chick. So, do you want to go and yes, go to school today because you got a math test today. No, I don't want not math test today, please. So, yes, go to school today with a uni today. So, I have some breakfast. Well, right. Let's go. Oh boy. Okay, guys. Today's a math test today. How gonna be for? Not just for a half an hour. I love it. What session is it? We're in session 1 for the moment. Let's see. Chick, don't play Fortnite. Do the testing right now. Never do this again. Chick, neither said no right now. Chick, let's go, Chick. Let's do this again. The last week your forced me to watch classic Caillou. So, Ned, stop. So, Chick, Ned, don't go away from us. Like, call Lightning a crane on you. Look, I care. So get off his desk. Hicks, stop. You're getting something error. So stop it. Right now. When Chick got a bomb. Chick! Are you serious right now? You're getting us an error! And you Chick, yes, dumb, listen, like a call line and crane on you. Are you serious, Thomas? Like I explode you? 3, 2, 1.
Да где эта чесночная шаурма? Сука, блядь, да где же она?
Aha! Now it's gone. Is it? Say yes. So, I just seriously cannot believe you got towards the tangent error. Not do it again. So, what's going on over here? Press the vector. Hicks got my friend error. Ready? Check if it's true. Yes he did. So, check. As soon as I cannot believe it got Thomas error. So, I called him Lightning a Queen about this. Oh, great. I was going to when I get home. When Jack got home, Chicken and Nugget Hicks. I don't got a toasted tangent error. You should very well, it was my second boyfriend from Thomas and Friends. So that's it. You were grounded for 2 weeks. And you're definitely not by Fortnite or go Dragon Storm South do by time. Go to room right now. Oh fine, screw you, Queen. I don't do talking like that either.
Thomas and his friends. Thomas is the chicken. Christmas.